Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, guys, to the analysis of the gold market. So actually you could see that the CPI numbers hasn't brought any surprises. As I said today in the Euro video, that the first glance it seems that inflation is decreasing, but at the same time it is showing the upward action. It's just because despite that it was below the expectation, still has shown the 2 decimal points of the increasing. Currently we do not know, maybe this is the first sign of our expected new inflation spiral that we're actually expecting to get starting in August data. August, September, this might be the turning point for inflation. Those of you who read our weekly report on the gold market 2 weeks ago, where we were considering performance of the crude oil, it seems that it's unavoidable that crude oil price will rise, and if fuel price is rising, CPI is also unavoidably rising. It's because all goods in the world are shipping. So that means that, well, maybe recent upward tick of the CPI, it might be the first signs of the inflation turning that we're actually expecting to see. Whatever it will be, currently you could see that market shows weak reaction. Today, yes, we will get the PPI, we will get Michigan sentiment, but personally I do not expect a lot of stuff from this. It's because we see deflation across the world in the United States, manufacturing and production sector, China, Germany. So I think that hardly PPI will bring something, just confirm the deterioration of the production of the goods in the world, and it's probably also will be released somewhere around an expectation or even below. Michigan is already stands for a considerable period of time under the 50 level, so it's also hardly it will bring some really significant changes to the market performance. So all in all, currently gold looks bearish in the short term, and we could consider the nearest standing target around 1865, which is actually COP of this ABCD pattern. And also we have 127 extension of this most recent swing. But the major problem that we already talked about this is 1905, 1910 confluence support area. Despite that market already has tested it, for the second test it also might be some bounce. It's just because here we do not see any fast acceleration. We do not see something of this kind. It's very gradual and slow downward action. And from that standpoint, we could see some reaction on this support. Since we are not considering taking any long position by far, I'm not talking about the hourly chart, scalping trading. This is different story. There you could try to search some bullish signs, short-term bullish context for trading. I'm speaking about the daily chart. It's a bit longer term perspective, where we could think about taking the short position. And I see here 2 possible solutions. First one is waiting for a bounce, and maybe we will get a kind of the butterfly here, right? This bounce will happen. We will see what will happen around the resistance area. Maybe it will be intraday some ABCD. We can gutless triple to sell, and there we could easily take the short position with a very small risk just above the C point. Alternatively, if we will not get any bounce, market will keep going lower below this confluence, we could try to use stop sell order, entry order, as I'm talking about this. I was talking about this yesterday. That led us to jump in on the moment of the breakout of the B lows and move into this target. It's 2 different ways. As you understand, they are not contradicting, because you could use them together, placing these different orders for taking here position and here. If you take position on the bounce, you could cancel your stop sell. If you do not have any position here, market will keep dropping. We will use the stop sell order. So that's 2 possible ways how this problem could be resolved. I mean, difficulties with the position taking, because it's a lot of different stuff stands in this area. It's not really making our life easier. because this confluence if you'll take a non-follow time frame chart, you could see here this XOP right near the lows, which is also could bring some fluctuation around our market hits this XOP. This could trigger some minor pullback, which is also makes it difficult to use the stop selling order around the low. So probably we will need to see what will happen here, how market will perform, using the stop sell somewhere between the XOP and the lows, between the 1892 and 819 even area. So that's what we could use. Speaking about the short-term performance, we'll take a look at the hourly chart. Yes, we have here some divergence with the MACD right around the daily confluence, and it means that some pullback might happen. Let's adjust these levels. Because market shown the new lows yesterday. But as you can see that the bulls haven't got the pattern that we were discussing. We said that bulls could think about taking scalp long position if market will show kind of the hand shorts or something of that sort. As you can see with this upward action, yes, market was able to trying to reach this, to make the hand shoulders, but has failed and dropped back down. So they don't know, maybe this redrive will be formed on the next week, but right now I do not see any background for taking long position. Bears just should wait and see for these two levels, probably for where this might be the target for the butterfly wing, if we will still get this upward bounce. That's the levels that we could see. But for the bulls, I did not see any background for taking position. That's approximately what we have. Let's see what we'll get on the PPI numbers, and well, maybe next week we'll make the decision concerning the position taken.